The microscope feels fantastic. It moves very easily. Actually, one of my favorite things is that you can adapt how quickly it moves in its minor directions in each X and Y plane. And the ability to change that, I think, makes a big benefit. So you can make it slow, fast, it's easy to use, you can center the screen very easily. The stability of the system is amazing. We look for things like, does it have dampening, does it vibrate a lot, can I release the brake, and it doesn't have any movement or tremor, and it seemed to perform exceedingly well. It seemed to perform exceedingly well when we were using it today. I found it really quite good. I do feel like this is a rock-solid, stable microscope. The reach of the microscope is fantastic. It keeps the base of the scope away from me. We have enough flexibility with it to be able to go from one side of the ear, let's say, to the other side of the ear.
In fact, the good optics of the system and the smooth handling actually makes handling a pleasure. The damping and the rigidity is done very well in this new system. It's much better than some older systems.
The stability of the system is very good, and actually I think that's also key. It's very important. Robustness is key because all our technology systems are working every day, are being moved around. On the second hand, for us, means that it's going to be more stable and better image.
It's really very easy to use. Only 2 or 3 fingers and move it very, very slowly, very precise. It's also very nice to move it only for a few millimeters. The stableness and the stiffness of the arm is very good. And that is, especially for middle ear surgery, nice to have.
It's very stable. That means when I move it, I have an immediate stable position after the movement. The easy positioning is a big advantage because I'm not disturbed in my functional process of surgery. This is very important, so any disturbance makes difficulties in the process of surgery.
It's easy and straightforward working with it, and I think this combination makes it unique. We have no margin for failure. And on the other way, sometimes we have to move around, we have to change the position, and then we need to have the flexibility to move away the device also in a smooth and straightforward way. And those both needs are met in a unique way with the new device. Sit in and drive. So it's very, very easy, it's straightforward, and it's not confusing you. I think this is the most important thing.